مرحبا. اليوم رح أعلمكم كيف بينظفوا الكمبيوتر أو كيف بيظبطوا الكمبيوتر أو كيف بيصلحوا الكمبيوتر مانيوال وأوتوماتيك. أنت بتختار وبتشوف كيف النتيجة اللي بدك تحصل عليها من بعد ما تكون عرفت كيف تتصرف بالمعلومات اللي بدي أعطيك فيها. هلا أكيد رح تكون بالإنجليزي، كون الكمبيوتر خلق بالإنجليزي، صنع بالإنجليزي، كل شيء بالإنجليزي. فخلونا نباشر.
The greatest thanks to fix automatic repair in your PC on Windows 10. Windows software may well be a posh one indeed, but there are still plenty of unsolved issues which will drive inexperienced users crazy. That's exactly one of the reasons more and more PC users are switching to Mac OS X, which cannot offer the identical customization and compatibility options as Windows, but it's definitely more user-friendly. Windows includes several built-in troubleshooters which should facilitate your eliminate your problems automatically, but they're sometimes simply not okay to assist you to cater to your problem. Look below to look out what to do when your PC fails to repair itself. You can't repair errors on Windows 10 in your computer automatically. Automatic repair on your computer could be a built-in troubleshooter, which should facilitate your fix a number of the foremost common issues regarding your PC. However, many users have reported how they received the automatic repair couldn't repair your PC message after running so as to repair a number of their issues. This is somewhat unfortunate, especially because of the fact that the majority of Windows 10 users can't think of another way to fix similar issues, and they try to rely on automatic troubleshooters such as this one. Luckily, this problem has its solution, so check below to find out more than one solution. Solution number 1: Troubleshooting with electronic communication. Since automatic repair may be a tool that sometimes deals with startup issues, it'd be wont to accommodate your boot so as to mend this particular issue. There are several commands which could facilitate your eliminate this error message, and possibly even eliminate the choice of fixing your PC in the least. Navigate to your Windows login screen and click on the Facility button. Hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart so as to enter boot options. Choose Troubleshoot Advanced Options and click on Electronic Communication. When the prompt opens, copy and paste the subsequent lines and confirm you click Enter after each command if you would like to run it. bootrec.exe/rebuild. bootrec.exe/fixmer. bootrec.exe/fixboot. Plenty of users have reported that the commands above were able to fix the boot of their system, and that they got obviate the automatic repair couldn't repair your PC message once and for all. While you're still within the prompt, run the commands below so as to test your disk for errors. chkdsk/rc. chkdsk/rd. Note that you simply will know just what are the letters comparable to your disk drive partitions, and therefore the letters C and D are the standard ones for every computer. If you're undecided about your PC's drive letters, you'll be able to check them while still in the prompt by copying the commands below and clicking Enter after each one. Disk part. Disk part list volume. The commands above should display a listing of all drive partitions on your computer, so use the letters equivalent to them within the chkdsk. Solution number 2: Troubleshooting in safe mode. There were many useful commands in electronic communication which you ought to try, but it's the simplest if you employ these commands while in safe mode, because the error message we are handling is usually caused by a faulty driver or a system file which could not show up if we did the scan in normal boot. Reboot your PC and stay up for the boot screen to seem. Manufacturer with the choices like press underscore to run setup, etc. When the screen appears, start pressing the F8 key on your keyboard. If the F8 key doesn't work, reboot your computer again, and begin pressing the F5 key. The Windows Advanced Options menu should open, enabling you to settle on several options else your computer. Boot into safe mode with prompt. As soon as electronic communication opens, try copying and pasting the commands below to test your Windows image for errors, DISM, and to test your system for any missing or broken files, SFC. DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. SFC/scan now. Please allow these commands enough time to end and don't restart or close up your computer before they finish. Solution number 3, disabling early launch anti-malware protection. This solution can be a reasonably easy one, but this bugged many users before they disabled this feature. Please follow the instructions below so as mend this. Navigate to your Windows login screen and click on the Flexibility button. Hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart so enter Boot Options. Navigate to Troubleshoot then Advanced Options then Startup Settings. Your PC should restart and boot to a listing of options for you to come to a decision on. Choose the amount next to the Disable Early Launch Anti-Malware Protection option and restart your computer. Solution number 4, delete the file which is causing these issues. It's quite possible that one in all the files on your computer simply malfunctioned, and now it's causing problems together with your PC which the automated repair can't pander to. If the file at hand isn't a system file, you'll be able to locate it and delete it easily. Navigate to the login screen and click on the power button of your computer. Hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart in order to enter boot options right away. When it appears, go to Troubleshoot then Advanced Options then Command Prompt. Put the subsequent commands into the electronic communication window. C. CD Windows System 32 log files SRT. srttrail.txt. The file should open immediately and check out to appear for a message looking like this: boot critical file which there's corrupt. Any file will be displayed within the message which is most definitely the file that's causing this issue, and you may just delete it if it's not a system file. An easy Google search should clear up any doubt. In order to delete the file, you wish to navigate to its location using the prompt. For instance, if the file is locating within the drivers folder in System32, these files are usually the cause for the issue. You'll be able to locate it via this command. cdc:/windows/system32/drivers. Delete the file by using the del command and therefore the name of the file next thereto, divided by one space. del errorfile.sys. Restart your computer, uninstall the program to which the file belonged to and check to determine if your issue is resolved. Solution number 5, disable automatic startup repair. The automatic repair feature might need been turned on for no reason, and it's not allowing you to use your computer properly. It's going to have something to try and do with a faulty automatic startup repair tool, so it's for the most effective to disable it from starting automatically. Navigate to your Windows login screen and click on the Facility button. Hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart so as to enter boot options. When the boot menu opens, navigate to Troubleshoot Advanced Options prompt. When the prompt starts, copy and paste the subsequent command and click on After so as to run it. Get/set default, recovery enabled no. Restart your computer and check to determine if there are any changes. Solution number 5, disable automatic startup repair. The automatic repair feature might need been turned on for no reason, and it's not allowing you to use your computer properly. It's going to have something to try and do with a faulty automatic startup repair tool, so it's for the most effective to disable it from starting automatically. Navigate to your Windows login screen and click on the Facility button. Hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart so as to enter boot options. When the boot menu opens, navigate to Troubleshoot Advanced Options prompt. When the prompt starts, copy and paste the subsequent command and click on After so as to run it. Get/set default, recovery enabled no. Restart your computer and check to determine if there are any changes. Solution number 6. Fixing your registry issues. Registry issues are always difficult to handle, especially after they're causing error messages like this one. Windows registry is also a fragile place, and changing anything without supervision may end up in irreversible changes to your computer. Luckily, you'll restore your registry to a previous state by employing a duplicate of the registry Windows generates itself. Navigate to your Windows login screen and click on the Power button. Hold the Shift key while clicking on Restart so on Enter Boot Options. When the boot menu opens, navigate to Troubleshoot Advanced Options prompt. Put the following command in command prompt and make sure you click Enter in order to run it. Copy C /Windows/system32/C:/Windows/System32/System32/config. If a message asking you whether you like to overwrite existing files, choose to overwrite all and press Enter. Restart your PC and check to see if your issue has been resolved. Solution number 7. Fixing your automatic repair tool. If there's indeed something wrong together with your automatic repair tool, you'd possibly be able to fix this issue by employing a Windows 10 ISO file, which you'll be able to use also into recovery mode and begin automatic repair from there. Download the Windows 10 ISO and build a media creation tool so on Open Automatic Repair. Download and burn Windows ISO by following the instructions on Microsoft's page. Insert a DVD or USB drive, then restart your PC. You'll be ready to press this message. If it appears, press any key also from DVD/USB. When the message page appears, click on the Repair Your PC option, which should open the Windows recovery environment. When the Windows recovery environment is prepared, click on the Troubleshooting option. Navigate to Advanced Options and click on Automatic Repair. This might be ready to open automatic repair from your bootable drive and fix the matter regarding the error message you kept receiving. Solution number 8. Hardware issues. If you laterally installed or added any new hardware to your computer, it's going to be causing system instability and error messages like the one associated with automatic repair. On the opposite hand, even your old devices like a disk drive, RAM, etc., are also causing these issues. Let's start diagnosing just what can be causing these problems. Begin to remove all external devices from your computer except your mouse and keyboard. If this solves your problem, reconnect the devices one by one and check to work out just which one could also be problematic. If you own over one RAM stick, try removing one amongst them and booting your computer. If it is fixed successfully, try replacing the faulty memory stick. Remove your memory devices like your solid-state drive or your external HDD and check to determine if your issue is fixed. Consider replacing or repairing any of the devices that were faulty to start with, since things may only degenerate if you retain them connected to your computer. Solution 9. system refresh or reset. Unfortunately, it's come to the current. If all of the methods above didn't fix the problem you were managing, your piece aller is also to refresh your Windows 10 installation or to perform an entire reset of your system. Windows 10 has made things way simpler for you, since now you'll perform a refresh of your system without losing your personal files. Open the Settings app by clicking on the beginning menu and selecting the gear icon, or by attempting to find it. Go to the Recovery menu when you open the Update and Security section. Under the Reset this PC option, click on the Start button. When prompted, opt to keep your personal files and follow the instructions on the screen. Note that your apps and programs are visiting Get uninstalled, so confirm you duplicate important data before proceeding with this. You can also use the bootable Windows 10 ISO media to begin with, a clean version of Windows 10, but this may remove all of your personal files and programs. Tip: if none of the methods have resolved the difficulty for you, I recommend using Restore Repair tool, which might scan the repositories to interchange corrupt and missing files. This works in most cases where the problem is originated because of system corruption. Restore also will optimize your system for max performance. You'll be able to download the PC Restore tool by following the steps below. But of course, you have to buy it if you want to use this app, by using a staff of credit card which lets you buy online merchandise, because not all credit or debit card can work on the internet. Go to this page and press Download Now, show the video that you had recorded. After finishing downloading, you should install it on your computer by pressing on this Open button to install it directly, or you can also go to the option next to the Open File button and choose to go to Show in Folder. Double-click on the icon, Restore. When it is opening, you can choose any long you like to install the app with, then press Install. Wait until finishing the installation. After the installation has finished, the program will begin checking problems in your computer automatically. After finishing checking your PC up for problems, press on Start Repair. Here you have to buy the program before using it to get the license key.